Hello kids, welcome to my Little Star Learning and Playing YouTube channel.
Hello, friends. Hand waving today is a color splash party. Are you ready to learn colors with me?
Today, red. I like red, red. I like red, red, red. I can see red. Where is red? Yellow. I like yellow, yellow. I like yellow, yellow. I can see yellow. Where is yellow? Green. I like green, green. I like green, green, green. I can see green. Where is green? Blue. I like blue, blue. I like blue, blue, blue. I can see blue. Where is blue?
Yay! You learned red, yellow, green and blue. Which one is your favorite?
Thank you. Please do subscribe to my Little Star Learning and Playing YouTube channel.